Hello everyone, welcome to AreaLab. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Smart Edit context feature. Let's dive in. First, go to Edit, Smart Edit, and drag or upload your image into the box. Then, in the prompt box, type in a command such as, convert the overcast atmosphere of the image into a sunny and bright atmosphere. Click Generate. Wait a moment, and the new image will be ready. Pretty simple, right? Now let's look at some examples. There are also preset prompt templates available. Just choose a template and replace the text inside the brackets. But don't forget to delete the brackets before generating. The results are amazing. Go ahead and give it a try yourself.